Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your credit card on First National Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fnb.co.za and press enter. You will now be taken into the official FNB Bank website. Now you will find the login section right at the homepage. Go ahead and type in your username within the username box that you have set while creating your account, and then type in your account password alongside within the password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your FNB Bank account right away. Once you are logged in, you can simply click on the card option and you will find the option to cancel your card. If you don't find this option, click on Contact Us from the homepage and once again click on Contact Us. And now you will be able to start a secure chat or a phone conversation with any representative who will be able to guide you through your concern. Choose any one of these methods and simply let the representative know that you wish to cancel your credit card. You will then be provided the steps that you can follow in order to cancel your card. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to cancel your credit card on First National Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.